Hi, my name is Gaspar Carrasco. I am the Director of Market, Strategy and Technology at Tesela, Materials, Innovation and Heritage. Tesela is an SME located in the south of Spain, specifically in Granada. Tesela's main activity is dedicated to research and development of new products for the building and heritage sector. Today, we would like to present you the HERIFIX European project, a collaborative project that is addressed to the dream call for digital resilient Europe for advanced manufacturing. The project consists in developing new kind of lime mortar materials doped with natural fibers like hemp or cotton. Our main goal is to replicate damaged artifacts from heritage sites, preserving cultural legacy. For the project, we have counted on the expertise of Tesela as a material developer and coordinator of the project. Also, we have counted on the experience of NGI Systems as a partner in charge of developing the mold by 3D technology.
At Tesela, we believe that taking care of our heritage is crucial to preserve our history. We have seen that the decreased presence of skilled artisans and their specialist expertise presents a notable challenge for intervention in built heritage. We have developed a new kind of lime mortar which maintains congruence with the built heritage, which is environmentally friendly, and it can be embedded in 3D printed molds. Incorporating advanced robotics has bridged the gap, introducing novel methodologies for achieving reproducible architectural structures.
The HERIFIX project has served us to adopt a new type of technology and create a unique product for the building sector. Also, the project has served us to collaborate with new companies in the digital sector and the academia in terms of technology transfer. We hope our developed technology will serve as a new way of restoring the heritage of people not related to the sector and at the same time prepare heritage artifacts for future generations. Our vision for the future entails ongoing technological advancement and partnership with the cultural sector, aimed at safeguarding heritage for generations to come. Thank you very much.